Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Treats, and it's coming to you live from Asia, guys. Happy 4th of July. It's happening right now in the US, guys, and we're talking about Elon Musk. He said that Dogecoin could be the currency for the X app for Twitter. So we're going to be talking about that and much, much more out there, guys. And it looks like we could be seeing this cryptocurrency going up potentially 1,000x from here, guys. So 1,000x could be coming in for this cryptocurrency. So we're going to reveal what that is. We're going to tell you what that is, and I'm going to tell you what my plan is. And we're looking so far, 2023 is fantastic. We're also going to be talking about July. What can we expect for the month of July, for Bitcoin, for Dogecoin, for most of cryptocurrency? We're going to be talking about that. Guys, don't forget to boop the likes, smash the likes, and show some love out there. Remember, none of this is financial advice, guys. And also, too, guys, if you want to be part of the community, guys, become a member. Become a freaking member, guys. Go to the YouTube homepage, click membership, get access to a private WhatsApp group, guys. It's absolutely fantastic. Get access to, private videos, and you can chat with me anytime. If you need, signals or whatever, or some advice, guys, not financial advice, but my opinions, definitely hook us up and become a member, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So what are we seeing right now for Bitcoin? We're seeing that Bitcoin is still forming a bull flag, pretty bullish out there. We are seeing that, we're still in this blue box zone out there. We got some resistance at $32,000. But I think this is just a matter of time, time before we see ourselves breaking above that. Now, expect the volume is pretty light right now because it is July 4th weekend. A lot of people are barbecuing. A lot of people are spending time with their family and not watching the OG drone on YouTube out there. So overall, we're seeing that the crypto markets are pretty much flat out there, down approximately 1% across the board. A lot of that has to do with less volumes, guys and gals, because people cooking out, barbecuing, get those ribs on the barbie out there. We're seeing that Bitcoin dollars is about flat, 49.6. We're seeing the greed is at 63, so that's pretty good. But overall, we're seeing that things are just kind of a little bit sideways, a little bit of consolidation. So I'm not too worried about it. We're seeing that Dogecoin is up almost 1%. We've got some good Elon Musk news out there as well. So that's pretty lovely, jubbly. Guy, top expert says that XRP is peanuts. $1,000 XRP could happen, guys. So, guys, that's 1,000x, guys. Get ready for XRP. We could be seeing that, when this court case happens and XRP finally wins, we could be seeing that XRP is going to be widely adopted. We're going to see all of the exchanges start to list XRP, and that's definitely going to have the price going nuts. And remember that XRP was actually invented to be a replacement of the SWIFT system, guys, so to easily transfer payments back and forth. So I'm expecting XRP to definitely have a rebound, and we could be seeing $1,000 coming in for XRP by the next bull run, guys. So don't sleep on XRP. I did pick up a small bag of XRP. I think it's going to come back, guys. I definitely think it's going to come back. So I'm pretty bullish out there, but 1,000x, OMG, that's so good. Mid-to refresh time, guys. If you're loving this content like I love you guys, don't forget to smash the likes. What are you doing? Why are you not smashing the likes out there? Not feeling love out there. So we are seeing that the fear and greed yesterday was 64. It's down a little bit because we're seeing that the Bitcoin is down right now about just about 1%. So nothing to worry about. Happy the July 4th, guys. What's going on in terms of announcement? I can't even speak English. My brain pan is discombobulating out there. So we've got the initial jobless claims that are coming out July 6th. Get ready for that. Buckle up. Nothing really too big happening out there. No major economic reports coming out. We should have we should have the CPI data coming out probably middle of July. That's coming out as well. So wouldn't worry about that too much. But the good news is, look at this year. Look at this freaking year. We got, January is up 39.6. February, we broke in the green just barely, 22.96 in March, 2.81% in April. May was a bit of a Debbie Downer, but June was fantastic, 12%, and so far July is going up. But if you take a look at July, all these accumulated years from 2003, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 good years versus 3 bad years, okay? So we can see that, on average, 16%, 18%, 24%. So, if we can see, I think, fundamentally, we're going to see 15% increase from here for Bitcoin price. So that's going to be pretty good. And if we see a 15% increase, we could definitely be seeing, Bitcoin probably going to be breaking out of this blue box zone. And I still think that, my target of 34,500 is definitely solid because July, as I said, is a very good month. And guys, if you take a look at the quarterly returns for Bitcoin as well, we're seeing that so far Q1, Q2, Q3, so far it is a trifecta home run for Bitcoin price going up, guys. So you guys should be pretty popular. And this is any indication of what's going on out there. We could see that the bull run is going to be insane in the membrane. And, this is from TED Talk. And he's using, if you take the data, and this is going back all the way from from October 2009, and it's cumulative, we see that the July is the best month to perform, the best month for Bitcoin to perform out there. So, guys, if you did pick up Bitcoin in any of the months prior to July, you should be in profits, guys. You should see profits by the end of the month. Remember, August, September is pretty bad. It's pretty bad out there. So, guys, keep in mind, but July, we should have an actually screaming good month out there. And remember, Bitcoin is fully recovered from Friday's 5% drop caused by the SEC need for more clarity on spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, remember, Gary, he did try to tank crypto. And how did he do that? Well, he sued Binance, he sued Coinbase. They denied the BlackRock ETF. They refiled, by the way, so that's okay. But Gary has tried his best to keep Bitcoin down. But people are laughing at Gary right now because, in fact, all of his poo-push-manis, vitriolic garbage that he's been throwing out there and saying, look, the Bitcoin is finished, he's going to kill crypto and all that kind of stuff. Well, guess what? Bitcoin is bouncing back. Unfortunately, looks like the banks in the UK have just starting September 2023, they are going to restrict crypto payments to exchanges, etc. So I did get an email from NatWest Bank. So if anybody from NatWest is watching this, shame on you guys out there. And they kind of like wrap it in this, to protect the customers from scams and this and that. We're going to be restricting payments, limiting payments to crypto exchanges or anything crypto related. That's the email I got. I don't agree with that. I'm over 18. I'm a big boy. I should be able to spend my money, whoever I want, send it to whoever I want. And, if I get scammed, that's because it's on me because I'm dumb. Okay. So and this is just the banks running scared. The banks are trying to limit crypto. So, it's just a huge freaking nightmare out there. So, once again, offboarding your crypto, offboarding your UST into fiat to banks is crazy. So that's why, fintech companies like Revolut Bank and stuff like that, I'm not shilling, but they seem to be pretty friendly with that regard because they are offering crypto right in their platform, guys. So, if you're banking with the big banks in the UK like HSBC, Lloyds, all of these banks, get out of there. Switch over to Revolut out there. I appreciate it because it's insane. It's insane. The regulators are going nuts. Guys, top assets by the world. We can see that, I'm not going to talk about gold. We all know that. But Apple's still number one. But look at Bitcoin. It's the 12th biggest, not a company, but the 12th biggest asset out there by market cap. So, guys, don't sleep on Bitcoin. Look at Tesla. Tesla's now number 9, guys. Nvidia out there, Amazon, Alphabet, Saudi. So we got Apple's number 1, guys. Apple is the biggest freaking company on planet Earth. And the only thing that's bigger than that is gold, guys. Gold. So interesting, guys. Looks like new Bitcoin records positive returns for 2 consecutive quarters. Well, in fact, I just showed you 3 consecutive quarters. So that is pretty awesome, guys. Look, 3 consecutive quarters. Bang, bang, bang. What do you got to say about that? That is fantastic, guys. I love it out there. So it's a positive, guys. Pretty positive. We've seen the new Bitcoin remain the primary focus of investors, seeing inflows of about 123 million within the last 2 weeks. So we're seeing that a lot of investors are now moving to digital assets. You can't stop it. It's a storm. You can't stop the storm, guys. You can try to build a wall, but the storm is going to knock it down, guys. Crypto is here to stay. Looks like just a $9 trillion asset manager BlackRock has named Coinbase as their custodian counterpart in the updated spot BTF Bitcoin ETF filing. So they have refiled. They did refile July 29th. So hopefully that Gary will allow it. They have to allow it. Guys, probability of a rate hike at 25 basis points, 86.8%. And right now we've got approximately, let me get that. We've got 21 days, 16 hours to the next FOMC meeting where we get the announcement. it's not going to have too much of an impact. People, it's kind of baked in, right? Kind of baked in. DXY is still going down. It's slightly up today, but overall, we see that, overall it's going down. I think that we're going to see it, basically go down. We have this wedge pattern, but I think it's going to go down. I think it's going to go to 98. So that's fantastic, guys. We're also seeing that Ethereum right now is still struggling. It's just on our 1935 support out there. We did get rejected a little bit, particularly the 1975, $2,000 area seems to be a bit of elusive out there. I can see that from here. If I look at the trajectory of Ethereum right now, we are kind of making this pattern here. So hopefully that will support and we can go up, guys. If we break down from this pattern, we could see ourselves being pushed down. Guys, just to be safe out there, friendly update for all of you out there. Remember, if you do not own the keys, you do not own the crypto. And if you have your crypto on exchanges, basically, the exchanges only owe you IOU. So if the exchange is going to business, you lose your crypto. Now, there's been some users out there who talked about, well, I bought the NANO Leger. Can I swap? Can I take profits? Well, from that perspective, you can, because built into the Ledger application, there is a way to exchange your crypto. So let's say you have Dogecoin, you're up 100%, for example, and you want to take profits. Well, what you do is you convert it to USDT. Keep that in your wallet, and then when you are ready to buy in or whatever, you can do that. All right. In terms of off ramping, there are a number of options out there where you can off ramp. So in the next video, I'm going to show you some options for off ramping out there because banks just seem to be closing their on ramps and off ramps for from crypto exchanges, and then making it harder and harder to turn your crypto into fiat. Okay, so one of the easiest ways to convert your crypto to fiat is to, like, crypto.com. You can get the credit card out there, and you can use your credit card to actually buy stuff and take cash withdrawals in the real world. So that's one thing that you can do out there. But if it's if you've got tons of 100 Bitcoin and you want to do something serious, buy a house or something, that's going to be a little bit more complicated. Some large companies, some large products like cars and houses, they do accept crypto. So you just have to keep an eye on that. And that's the best way to go, guys. So remember, the link is down there. Guys, if you love this content, don't forget to smash the likes, be part of the conversation, join our Discord. And guys, go down there. This thing that looks like a heart mark, that is a super thanks. Support the channel. I appreciate it, guys. And, Bitcoin is just getting started. If you take a look at the long-term holder MBR, basically the amount of people that are in profit is going up like crazy, guys. So that is good. That's absolutely good out there. Long-term holders have remained in the regime of gradual accumulation, and we're seeing a massive accumulation in 2023. And that is getting us ready for 2024, 2025, where we're going to see Bitcoin go up 1,000x, guys. It's going to happen, guys. We could be seeing some massive moves out there. So that is pretty good out there. Overall, we're seeing the liquidations right now are light. We've got the long weekend out there. So happy July 4th. Smash the likes, guys. Share this content. I appreciate it. Basically, not too much is happening out there. 52 million only. We're seeing some longs. We're seeing a little bit of long squeeze out there. I wouldn't worry about it. Remember, Wednesdays is often the witching day. So by the time you're waking up and watching this, you'll be able to see a reversal. That's why in Asia right now we are seeing things going down, because typically Wednesday is the bad day, and I don't do any trading on Wednesday, guys. So breaking news for Dogecoin 111. It looks like Elon Musk allegedly wants Dogecoin as the currency on his Everything app X, guys. So that is cool beans. So we could see that if Dogecoin is integrated to the Everything app, that would be cool, guys. That just means to go and show that Dogecoin is the only true global currency out there. Fees are cheap. The speed is fast. You gotta love Dogecoin. Like I love Dogecoin. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. What's going on? So Dogecoin is just kind of doing its thing. We got this little bull flag. It's still forming. I still think that we're gonna have a breakout pretty soon. We're all waiting on Bitcoin confirmation. Once we get ourselves up to $33,000, we should see that Dogecoin should break out to the upside. I think we're going to be seeing a little bit of accumulation from most of this week. I think that we're going to see a nice rebound on Wednesday. Don't forget, though, expect some volatility. Expect some long and short squeezes out there during the course of the month. But overall, I believe that we're going to see July. I think we're going to see July coming out fantastic, guys. I think July will be absolutely bona fide, great month out there. So you guys should really be loving that, guys, out there. Just love it, guys. So that's what's going on for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is up 1% right now. That is pretty good. That's a darling of the day, because we're seeing about Bitcoin and most of cryptocurrencies is down, but Dogecoin is up, guys. I gotta love that. So that's gonna kind of like bring this video to a close, guys. Don't forget, do not forget, check out all the links, guys. Go down there below the links. We've got, you can support the channel. We got a Dogecoin tippy jar, show some love out there. We got Patreon as well. You can buy a channel coffee as well. We got some exchanges that I like, and definitely become a channel member. The link is down there, and get the merch, guys. So I appreciate it. Have a freaking great day, guys. Be blessed. Be well. Peace out to all of you. I love you and you and you out there. Peace out.